What if I told you that building passive income isn't as impossible as it seems? Most people believe you need a ton of money or years of expertise, but that's simply not true. In this video, I'm breaking down realistic strategies you can start today, even if you're a complete beginner. Whether you're a student, working a 9 to 5, or just looking for extra cash flow, these ideas have the power to change your financial future. By the end of this video, you'll have practical, achievable ways to start building passive income in 2025. So stick around, because one of these strategies might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. Let's talk about why passive income matters. Simply put, passive income is money you earn with minimal ongoing effort. Imagine having cash flow coming in every month without constantly trading your time for it. Sounds amazing, right? The truth is, many people are stuck living paycheck to paycheck, relying entirely on active income. If something happens, like losing a job or an emergency expense, it can throw everything off balance. Passive income provides financial security and freedom. It's not just about making more money, it's about giving yourself more time to do what matters most, whether that's spending time with family, pursuing a passion, or even just having peace of mind. Now let's dive into the good stuff. 5 realistic passive income strategies you can start in 2025. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is one of the most well-known ways to earn passive income. When you invest in these stocks, the company pays you a portion of its profits regularly. Apps like Robinhood or Webull make it easy to start with as little as $100. If you've got knowledge or skills to share, creating digital products like ebooks, online courses, or templates can be a gold mine. Once it's made, you can sell it over and over again on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. Think rental income only applies to landlords? Think again. Apps like Turo allow you to rent out your car, or you could rent out extra space in your home through Airbnb. These platforms make it easy to earn money with assets you already have. Affiliate marketing lets you earn commissions by promoting products or services. You don't need a huge audience to start. Just sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or Share a Sale and recommend things you love. Running an online store doesn't have to mean managing inventory. With dropshipping, you can sell products without ever handling them yourself. Tools like Shopify and Oberlo make this a beginner-friendly option. So how do you start? Here's a step-by-step plan to turn these ideas into action. First, pick one strategy that fits your interests and resources. If you're new to investing, start small with dividend stocks or an automated savings app. If you're creative, try creating a digital product or affiliate marketing. Second, set realistic goals. Don't expect to make thousands overnight. Passive income takes time to build, but the rewards are worth it. Finally, use the right tools. Apps like Mint or YNAB can help you manage your budget while getting started. If you're selling, platforms like Etsy or Shopify make setup a breeze. Remember, the key is to take the first step, no matter how small. Building passive income isn't just a dream. It's a realistic goal you can start working toward today. Whether you choose to invest, create, or rent, each of these strategies can lead to financial security and freedom. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more practical financial tips. Let me know in the comments which passive income idea you're most excited to try. And remember, every small step you take today brings you closer to the freedom you deserve. See you in the next video.